Welcome. Please find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Now, gently close your eyes. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply, breathing in the fresh morning air. Slowly exhale, releasing all tension. Again, a deep breath in, feeling your body expand. A long breath out, feeling more relaxed. One last time. Breathe in, filling yourself with peace. Breathe out and settle completely into stillness. Now follow my guidance as your awareness travels to a magnificent place. Imagine, before dawn, you are standing alone upon the majestic Great Wall. You've chosen a watchtower with a wide view, alone with this ancient, sleeping dragon. The stone bricks under your feet are immense and solid. Touching them, you feel the coolness of history. The air is damp with mountain mist. The world is so quiet, you can almost hear time flowing. Here you are safe, protected by this great power. Let's return our focus to the breath. Each inhale draws in the vastness of the universe. Each exhale returns inner worries to the world. Your mind becomes as clear as the pre-dawn sky. Now, turn your gaze to the horizon. Behind the mountains, a faint violet light appears. This hue slowly blends into a soft crimson. The sky is like a watercolor painting in progress. Then, a dazzling goldenage bursts from the mountaintop. In that moment, the sun, with solemn, warm power, slowly rises. The first golden rays gently touch your face, your hands, your body. Feel this warmth, full of life's initial, gentle energy. This light dispels the cold and illuminates your inner world. As the sun climbs, the world awakens. Golden light blankets the winding wall like a river of light. Distant mountains reveal their magnificent layers. Your body, like the wall, is rooted in the earth, filled with unshakable strength. Your heart, like the sun, is filled with light, hope, and potential. Standing at this pinnacle of history, your perspective eyes elevated. Daily troubles and worries now seem small. You gain a new perspective, a wisdom that transcends problems. Let this feeling of stability, openness, and power infuse your heart. This sunrise is the rising of your inner strength. Throughout your day, remember this feeling. Remember the wall and the sun within you. Now it is time to slowly come back. Feel your breath again. Feel your body resting peacefully. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Then, at your own pace, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Carry the Great Wall's sunrise into your new day.